Hi, Bryan here, Cars in Tillsonburg. Today we're working on a transmission, Muncie transmission out of a customer 67 Chevelle. Sure. Asking the minions here. 67 Chevelle, and it's got a little problem with it, down gearing in third and second. It's grinding, so we've pulled it apart on the bench here and looked it over, and we're going to do a complete rebuild on it. We got a complete kit on the bench here that refreshes it up to where it was or better, and then it came out from the factory. This exact model here is an M20, which is a wide ratio 4-speed. They had an M20 wide ratio, an M20 close ratio, and then there was an optional M22 close ratio heavy duty. So there's differences in the input shaft and the output shaft, and of course the structure inside. But what we're going to do here is pull it completely down. We're going to put new synchro blocker rings in it. We're going to put new bearings in it. The beauty of this kit is it comes with the paper gaskets. A lot of these guys put them together with glue or sealer, where the clearances inside are set somewhat by the gaskets. So we're going to do it the proper way here. So we're going to take it apart, clean it up, spread it out on the bench, and then we'll give you a look and see, okay? Thanks for listening.